Sounds good. Thanks, everybody, taking this afternoon to learn more about Tapestri, a new app that we're launching here, actually announcing we'll be submitting the app this afternoon. So more about me. So I'm the founder of Tapestri, but previously have about a decade experience in the mobility space specifically. And when I say mobility, I'm talking about data coming from mobile phones. We specifically in the past 5 years have been working with apps. So apps of all sorts and all backgrounds, from dating apps, travel apps, maps, navigation apps, all types of different applications that exist on your smartphone and on mine. We were working with them to take anonymous data from them, monetize that data, and basically pay them. That's been our business model for the last 7 years. And over the last 7 years, we've been kind of noodling this idea and this concept of, we know if you're a dating app or a weather app or a travel app or whatever you are, your core business is to do that. It is to put people together or show the weather, not to necessarily sell data. So our concept and our idea was to go to the consumer directly. We are very good at monetizing data. We know how to collect the data, process it, and basically put it in a client's hands in a digestible format. But at the same time, we don't want to be working with big companies. We want to go directly to you, the consumer, and that's why we're launching Tapestri. With any new idea, you all know, as you've probably been business owners or been a part of businesses, your company has to solve a problem. And the problem that we see in the data industry specifically is that our data is being bought and sold by large corporations, and we're not earning a penny. On the right-hand side, you'll see a few news clippings of just things that you probably already know about or maybe refreshed about. The FTC ordering big tech companies to explain what personal data they collect. Facebook launching a VPN specifically targeting teens, which is kind of ironic. Yeah, the Social Dilemma documentary coming out last year, which really spelled out and I think opened up consumers' eyes that if you're using a free product today, 2021, and it's not costing you anything, then you are likely the product, right? They can't run servers and hire thousands of people for free. They need to be making money somewhere, and generally they're making money off data. So we believe that if we can get the average consumer aware of this, the solution, the problem that we can solve is open up an app that is free to the consumer. It doesn't cost them anything. It runs in the background and allows them to make money with the data they're already giving away. Tapestri is not looking to collect anything new. We're not looking to look at your camera, your text messages, or any of that personal data. What we're very interested in is where you go, the points of interest, and the physical terrestrial world, which we'll get into. So it's a free app. It runs in the background. There's no cash back. There's no surveys unless you want to, which we'll get into in a little bit. And it's free to the consumer. So let's look at how it works. Tapestri, when you download it, we create an algorithmic earning score for you. This algorithmic earning score is really looking at your hardware of your phone, just information that any other app would know. What is your Wi-Fi strength? What is your battery utilization, cellular connectivity? All of that information tells us what data we can collect and how we can collect it, and we create that algorithmic score for you. The goal is to complete the circle every 30 days and get that payout. The payout goes directly to your Apple or Android wallet, or you can do a bank transfer if you choose. On the right-hand side, you kind of see your goal. So we plan on doing user acquisition utilizing affiliates, instead of us going to large ad networks and spending money. Why not pay you? And that's our business model, which we'll get into in a second. So you'll see how we're correlating and transparently telling you, here's the amount of events we've collected on your phone specifically. Here's the places that you visited, and you can click on that and you can see them all itemized out of every place you went. And the last part is earnings. So you will correlate in more events that we collect on that phone anonymously, the more you will actually earn completely transparently. So now I'll kind of give it over to Chuck Williams to talk about how the affiliate program works. But just to recap, it's a free app that works in the background that allows the average consumer to make money with their data for free. But for those who are more entrepreneurial or business minded, you can learn about how our affiliate program works, which will pay you an additional income for just sharing a free app that allows people to make money.